Can mutant genes be artificially created? Imagine a world where scientists can create mutant genes, giving rise to extraordinary abilities. This concept is not just a fantasy found in superhero movies, it has roots in real science. So, can mutant genes actually be artificially created? The answer is yes, and the methods are fascinating. At its core, creating mutant genes involves changing the DNA sequence. One way to do this is through a process called mutagenesis. This can be done randomly or in a targeted manner. In the past, scientists would expose cells to chemicals or radiation to induce random mutations. However, today's techniques are much more precise. One of the most advanced methods is called CRISPR-Cas9. This technology allows scientists to cut DNA at specific locations, making it possible to add, remove, or change gene sequences with high accuracy. Imagine having a pair of molecular scissors that can edit genes just like a word processor edits text. This method has opened up new possibilities for genetic research. Another exciting approach is called Retron Library Recombineering. This technique can create millions of mutations at once, which is useful for large-scale studies. It allows researchers to investigate how different mutations affect organisms. Moreover, scientists can also create entirely new DNA sequences from scratch. This process is known as artificial gene synthesis. By assembling short pieces of DNA, they can create full-length genes or even entire chromosomes. This means that scientists can design genes with unique traits that do not exist in nature. In the realm of superhero movies, these scientific advancements provide a believable foundation for the idea of mutants. While real-world applications focus on research and medicine, the concept of creating superpowered individuals through genetic manipulation is not far-fetched. Practical applications of these techniques include developing mutant cell lines for research on diseases and gene therapies that can correct genetic disorders. Scientists are also working on synthetic genes that could potentially encode new traits or abilities. In summary, the artificial creation of mutant genes is a reality in molecular biology and genetic engineering. These scientific techniques not only support the lore of superhero movies, but also pave the way for advancements in medicine and biotechnology. So, while we may not see superheroes flying through the skies just yet, the science behind mutant genes is very much alive and evolving.